minutes, pwede kang mag-manual mode. Manual mode to check components doon sa loob ng Reaper. So, manual operation is, ito, service, manual operation. Ito. So, let's say I want to check the automatic ventilation, I want to check the compressor, I want to check the solenoid valves. Pwede nyong gawin yun. So, the problem is if you put it in manual operation, hindi siya gagana for 5 minutes. 5 minutes lang naman. So, every time na pipindot ka, marireset yung 5 minutes, marireset yung 5 minutes. The idea there is, let's say, bigla ka nagka-emergency, you have to go somewhere. Bigla nagka-problema, tapos naalala mo, natutulog ka na, ala, naiiwan ko pala yung Reaper ng manual operation. Okay lang, kasi 5 minutes lang. So, I'll put the unit, I'll wait for the compressor to start, yan. And then, I'll go into manual operation, auto. I'll select. So, here you can see current. Manual operation. So, for 5 minutes, I have manual control of the Reaper container. The current is ito. Kung hindi ko kinabit yung current sensor kanina, you won't be able to read current. So, L1, L2, L3. And then FC. Ito no, FC. Ito yung FC, the current of the compressor. So, for example, evaporator pan, low speed. And then you can see the current. So, hindi to PTI, this is manual operation. High speed. Let's say condenser pan. So, low speed. So, kayo na lang maggawa nito mamaya. Compressor, the lowest speed is 15 Hz. Yun lang naman. And then, let's say, the expansion valve, this one. So, ito expansion valve. If you notice, there are no screws doon sa expansion valve. Pwede mo siyang remove. Just be careful na huwag mo siyang mahilang ganun. So, ito na yun. And then, ibalik mo siya na lang ulit. So, let's say the expansion valve. If you still remember modulation, 10 seconds modulation. So, 50% modulation at 10 seconds. So, this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, yun yung cycle niya. Every 5 seconds, 50%. So, same goes for the other solenoid valves, hot gas solenoid valve, economizer solenoid valve. So, ganun yung yung cycle. 10 seconds, complete cycle, and then on-off niya would depend on the percent. So, ganun yun. So, with your tester, yung Danfoss na nyo, ilagay mo siya dito. Iikot siya eh. And then, last would be the air motor. I-testing ko yung air motor. So, this one, para makita natin. Open it like that. So, para makita mo yung air motor kung gumagana for automatic ventilation. So, let's say, i-100% ko yung air motor natin, So, at 100%, go. Ayan, kita nyo yung 100%.
Yan. Yung diaphragm sa loob.
Oo. So, ang liit lang. And then, ito yung 0% which is close. And ito. Yeah. So, yun yung nun. So, I'll return it back to auto. Yan, auto na ulit. So, controller na ulit yan. So, ayun na din the unit in manual operation.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click the like button, click the share button, and hit the notification bell.